design and manufacture door hardware for high-end commercial buildings. We do pretty much everything that we do in-house. It gives us a lot more control. Sustainability is a key factor over the last 5 to 10 years. The main challenges are the rise in energy costs, so that's something that we've been very keen to look at and ensure that we're trying to keep costs as low as possible. We found out about the net zero decarbonisation programme through Aston University. They put us in touch with the right people. We had representatives from Aston University come to our site, conduct an energy assessment, and then subsequently create a report. We didn't realise how much energy saving was actually available to us. There are several key products that we manufacture which utilise 3 or 4 machines. What we realised is that consolidating those processes into one machine has a drastic reduction in energy usage. We were successful in our application. We received the maximum allowance of 100,000 match funding. The machine is here now, delivered, commissioned and running and manufacturing parts. Not only does it ensure that we're manufacturing components of the highest quality, it means we're doing that with reduced lead times, and in turn it means energy savings and therefore sustainability. The support from Aston University has always been very good. We've been given guidance on the exact steps to follow. They were only a phone call or an email away. I would certainly recommend any business to explore the Net Zero programme. It has really accelerated our investment programme in those areas.